Guten Tag. Color, a phenomenon relying upon the adjacency of dark and light. As perception shapes color, color too shapes perception. Consider the flashlight. The blue button against the black cylinder draws the eye, and so too draws the hand. Colors also help build brands, allowing humans to group objects together. This drill here belongs to the same product family as our flashlight. Brother, sister. Now you can create a family too, with a Formlabs color kit. First, select a recipe. Measure the pigment using the provided syringe. Add the pigment to the base cartridge. Mix your color resin by shaking the cartridge. Insert the cartridge and print. Auf Wiedersehen.